Hello! Happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we are back with our science class, and what were we studying? We had started the chapter, that is chapter number 11, the sun and our shadow. So let us quickly revise. What did we learn? So we learned about the sun. Okay? What is the sun? The sun is a ball. It is made up of hot gases. Okay? And if there is no sun, the earth, that is the planet earth, will not survive. Okay? जो human beings हैं, जो और भी living beings हैं, वो sun के बिना survive नहीं कर सकते. Then we learned about the shadow. So हमने क्या experiment किया था? That we took a torch and on a wall, what we did? See, हमने torch को wall पे किया on and then हमने बीच में अपना हाथ रखा. So what did we saw? We saw shadow. Okay? So हमने shadow देखा. But जब हमने हाथ हटा दिया तो क्या हमें shadow दिखी? नहीं. Why? Because shadow is visible when there is an object या फिर कोई obstacle आता है बीच में. Okay? जब light pass हो रही हो and बीच में कोई object आ जाए तो उससे shadow दिखती है. Is it clear? Now we will learn more about shadow. See, you might have observed that when we go in the sunlight, we can see our shadow. है ना? हमें अपनी shadow दिख सकती है नीचे. But you may have noticed this, that the shadow, that is the length of the shadow, keeps on changing. That is, अगर आपने morning में जैसी अपनी shadow की length देखी थी, इतनी ही length क्या आपको afternoon में भी दिखती है? No. So now we will learn about the shadow and its length that keeps on changing.
Chapter 11.
Okay. See, now this is the morning time, okay, and we know that the sun rises from the east. So आपको दिख रहा है that there is a boy standing and there is a shadow. So sun जो है वो side में है, and during the morning time the shadow is the longest. Shadow जो है वो long होती है. But as the sun keeps on coming at the top, that is during the afternoon. Midday में क्या होता है कि देखो morning में sun यहाँ था, but slowly sun ऊपर आ गया, okay, right at the top. So what did we saw? That the shadow size has decreased. जो length था shadow का वो decrease हो गया. Then again in the evening, the shadow is large. Okay, shadow का size फिर से बढ़ गया है. So what did we saw? That in the morning, the size, that is the length of the shadow is long, and as the midday comes, जैसे जैसे midday आता जाता है, shadow जो है वो small हो जाती है. And उसके बाद वापस से जैसे शाम होने लगती है, okay, the sun when it goes on coming there towards the west, so what happens? See, the size of the shadow keeps on increasing. Is it clear, students? कैसे हमारा morning, afternoon and evening में size जो है shadow का change होता रहता है. Okay? So now we will finish our last topic. That is the shadow.
Chapter 11. Light. The shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. The shape of the shadow depends on the shape of the object. Shadows keep on changing. We see our shadow during the daytime due to sunlight. Our shadow moves with us. Shadows change in length and direction. In the morning, when the sun has just risen, Our shadow is long. The length of our shadow goes on decreasing till noon. When the sun is right on top of our head at noon, our shadow is the shortest. The length of our shadow goes on increasing till evening. In the evening, when the sun is setting down, our shadow is long. Length and direction of shadow depend upon the position of the sun in the sky.
Okay, so very important. Length and direction of the shadow depends on the sun. Okay, जो sun है जैसे जैसे move होता है उसके according ही the size of the shadow keeps on changing. So once again we will revise. In the morning it is long. Then during the midday when the sun is at the top of our head, okay, एकदम top पे होता है तब size short हो जाती है shadow की. And again in the evening it is long. Is it clear, students? Okay, so now we will do some exercise.
Matching. Play.
So, these are some matching words. Now, first is shadow. So, look at the options and decide which will match which shadow. So, shadow के साथ shortest shadow नहीं match करेगा. Human made source of light also not, but dark shape.
Good work.
Okay, midday. Midday, that is in the afternoon. Okay, so क्या होता है midday में? Shadow की length कितनी होती है? Long या short? Yes, it is short. So, match.
Good work.
And the last one, that is the electric bulb. So, it will be of human made.
Good work.
Tick the correct answer and win a star.
So, these are the MCQs. The sun rises in the dash. The options are west, east and north. So, the sun rises in the east.
Good work.
And it sets in the west. Sunrise east से होता है and west में set होता है. At noon, our shadow is the dash. Noon time में shadow का size कैसा होता है? Is it biggest, longest or shortest? It is shortest.
Good work.
Then, which is the natural source of light on the earth? Natural means जो human being ने नहीं बनाई but हमें God से मिली. So is it the sun, the moon or the stars? It is the sun.
Good work.
Okay? Because moon and stars do not give us light enough that हम ऐसे ही आराम से देख सके, है ना? But sun हमें बहुत bright light देता है. So sun is the natural source of light. So with this we had completed the chapter and we will meet in the next class. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.